Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Nope. I'm so used to saying that. Hello, I'm Judy. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So today's video is an exciting video because I'm doing a home edit or the home edit review of their latest collection at Walmart, or a new collection at Walmart. I don't know if it's new or latest, but they have a collection at Walmart and I'm doing a review on it. I'm actually really excited because first of all, they're at Walmart. And a lot of times when your products are at Walmart, that means that your products are pretty inexpensive. And the home edit products at the Container Store aren't that cheap. So anyway, by the way, shout out to you, Just Joya. Thank you, girl. She told me about this Walmart drop and I bought it like literally right after. She does have a YouTube. She does have an Instagram. I'll put everything down below, also on the screen. So check her out as well. Her content is good. So, all right, let's get into it. So the first item on my list is none other than the Home Edit Everything large bin. So here she is. She's behind me. Hello. Here she is. I still have the tags on all of them because I have not used them yet. But this is what she looks like. If you've seen one of these, you've seen them all. This is the medium size at the Container Store, but at Walmart, they're their largest size. And they're great. I mean, it's a 10 by 10 perfect square bin, great for any area. And these go for $9.99. Guys, I'm putting it down. Let me put her down in front of me. $9.99. Yes. At the Container Store though, they go for $19.99. So it's literally half off at Walmart. And honestly, the medium size to me is the perfect size for any space. They do have a large option, which is great if you have a very large like pantry or even closet or even fridge. I think it's great for large spaces, but most of us don't. So I think the medium size will fit perfectly in your space. It is a great bin and it's $10, guys. $10. When I saw that, I was like, I need 3. So I got 3 because I'm going to be kind of transforming some spaces in my home. So definitely look out for that. But yeah, $10, guys. So Walmart, what are you doing? So anyway, so the next item is the Home Edit Everything narrow bin. So I think I'm a little bit obsessed with these too, but these are them. Bam, these are them. They actually come in a pack of 2 for $9.98. What? $9.98 for 2 of these. 2. So yeah, and these are great for, again, any space. I have used these in a pantry, a fridge, a closet. They're great. They're multifunctional because it is plastic, so it's easy to clean. It goes with everything. It's see-through. So yeah, definitely would recommend using these literally anywhere in your home. Ideal. Plus they look good, you know? There are some like plastic products out there that just don't give it that, you know, look. And this helps with that. And it keeps your stuff organized, of course, because it's a designated place for things. It has its own division. So these are great. I love them because they're small, they're narrow, so you can put a lot of them next to each other and it's going to give you what you need in an organized space. So I love those. At the Container Store though, they go for $14.99 each. At Walmart, they go for 2 for $9.98. Let that sink in. If you're looking for any of these, go to Walmart. So the next item on my list is the Home Edit 10-piece bath or plastic bath edit. It comes with 10 pieces of bin organizers and it goes for $24.98. So this particular product has 10 pieces. So it's like a pack, which I do like. I don't always like packs because a lot of times I'm going for, if I'm organizing a space, if I'm organizing a space, I like to buy the individual items separately because sometimes I need a few, but these have different sizes. And of course, if you're organizing a drawer, you usually need different size like drawer organizers. So I like this set. I like it a lot. So again, they go for $24.98 for 10 pieces. At the Container Store though, they go for, well, one of them, so like the smallest organizer is $7.99 and then the largest is $9.99. So do the math. You know that if you get 3 to 4, you've already exceeded the $24.98. But at Walmart, you can get 10 for $25 essentially. So to me, that is a steal. Here they are. I forgot to show you guys. Here they are. So there's these sizes. There is these sizes, or this size. And then there's this size. So there's 3 of these, 3 of the small ones, and then 4 of the medium ones. So I think you can definitely organize at least 2 drawers, like fully, with these organizers. So definitely a steal. It's literally the same products at the Container Store. So it's good quality. It looks the same. Honestly, I thought I was gonna get like a lesser product. It was gonna be, you know, less expensive or it would look more plasticky or more flimsy, but it's literally the same plastic acrylic looking product. So guys, it's a steal. So the next item on my list is the Home Edit 3-tier spice rack. So honestly, I don't think Walmart carries it anymore. Or the Container Store also doesn't carry it anymore. So it's really, really strange. For some reason, I don't know if they are selling off the rack or they just don't want to produce it because people aren't buying it. But when I initially purchased it from Walmart, they had it, but they didn't have it in stores. So I had to have it delivered. And also when I go on the Container Store's website, they don't have it either. They are discontinued. So I don't know why, but anyway, they came in a pack of 2. And I think the cost was either $9.98 or $14.98. I can't remember. Whatever the case is, it's still really inexpensive. Sorry guys, I need to show you guys what sorry. But this is what it looks like. So there's 2 of these. She wanted to fall. There's 2 of these, bam. I also do some B-roll so you can see them. But they're really good quality. I love the fact that they have this, so it's easy to pick up. I mean, I wish they had more of these because I would use these in clients' homes because they're actually less expensive than the typical 3-tier spice rack that I always go for. And they're wide enough, so they're really nice. They are separate, so they don't expand. You just put them next to each other if you want them to sit next to each other. But I did find a dupe, and it's the 3-tier spice rack at the Container Store. It literally looks identical, and it goes for $18.99. So I think this was a steal. Whether it was $14.99 for 2 or $9.99 for 2 or $9.98 for 2, it was still a steal. So if you could get your hands on it, definitely do. I'm gonna look for the link somewhere, because I know I ordered it from the Walmart website, but for some reason I can't find it. So if I do, I'm gonna put it in the description box below because steal. So the last but not least item is their 5-piece laundry edit. So let me show you guys what it looks like. I did not unbox this yet, so we're gonna be unboxing it together because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you do purchase it or see it in the stores. So this is what she looks like. Look at these ladies, how they look so cute. But this is what she looks like. Let me turn her around. Bam. She looks like this. Every product has a place. They do. There's 3 different products in here. So let's open her up. I'm sorry if you can't see her, if she's not in frame, but you get it. Let's take her out, put her on a table. Cute. Oh, this is like what I really, really wanted, because these are out of stock. Sorry guys. I'm trying to be as soft with these as I can. Okay, go, go, go. All right, hopefully you cannot see this. So one of the products in the laundry set is this open front bin. I'm not sure what they call it, but I'll of course put it on the screen. This is why I got it. I love an open front bin of any sorts because you don't have to pull the bin out. You just put your hand in it and grab it. Of course, if there's room around it, but you get what I mean. You don't have to pull it out. So I like it. It literally just works as division. I love this, and it's also stackable. So stackable is my middle name. It's not. Now it's Igwe, but you know what I mean. But yeah, really nice. I love this. It's the same size as the large bin, so you can sit them next to each other and it's still gonna look really good. So that is that. Let me put that down. So there's 2 of those in the laundry set. Also came with a Lazy Susan or turntable. I think they call it a turntable. So the 5-piece laundry set goes for $24.98. Individually though, the Lazy Susan goes for $15.99. So just this is $15.99, but the total is $24.98 at Walmart, which this is included. So consider that. And these, I forgot to add, go for $21.99 for one, and you get two in the laundry set. Just gonna put her down because let that sink in. And the last two pieces that are in that set are these, the narrow bins. I, again, love these. So yeah, and these go for individually. I don't know if I ever mentioned that, but these go for $14.98 individually. So, and you get two. So definitely the 5-piece laundry set is well worth the money because you're literally getting double, if not almost triple the products for the cost. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that is it. I tried to purchase all the products at Walmart. Some did come in pieces or sets, which is why I had 2 sets, but for the most part, I think I purchased all of them. I think this drop was a great idea for those of you who don't necessarily want to spend so much money at the Container Store. I'm not sure why they decided to not remove, because they still have their collection and all collections at the Container Store, but I don't know why they decided to switch over or also have a collection at Walmart that's considerably cheaper than the Container Store. So with the Walmart collection, I don't think they're collaborating with iDesign, which is who they collaborated with at the Container Store for their other products, which is probably why it's a lot cheaper. I don't know. I do understand that Walmart doesn't really carry like heavily expensive stuff. So maybe that connection with Walmart allowed them to slash the price. I don't know, I'm sure they have their own reasons why. So now more people can go to Walmart and buy the Home Edit products, which is amazing because their products are really good. Like the quality is really good. They last long, as long as you clean it, of course, take care of it, don't drop it. They will last you for a long time. So definitely check them out. I'm probably gonna do a full order so I can buy stock of them and use them in my clients' homes so they don't have to spend so much money on organizing products. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love doing product review videos. So if you have any products that you want me to review, let me know in the comment section below and I definitely will do it. Of course, the product has to be aesthetically pleasing. The quality has to be there. There has to be some kind of quality because of course, if I'm gonna create a video on it, the quality just has to be there and it also has to look good. Y'all know. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the video. As always, I'll see you soon. Bye.